The program was organized by CARES Foundation in collaboration with food company Nestle, Gratis Integrated Concept Limited, and supported by Kogi State Ministry of Health. Speaking at the event in Lokoja, the founder of the NGO and former Commissioner for Women Affairs, Bolanle Ampuitan Olonusaye, said the program tagged COVID-19, You, Your Health and Business was to sensitize market women, orphanage homes, people living with disability, restaurant owners and food vendors on COVID-19 health protocols.
We need to, to prepare our women, our people for the task ahead, because COVID-19 has come to stay. It's just like tuberculosis, just like malaria. So it's for us to get prepared for this challenge that is coming ahead of us. We are not telling you to use it 24 hours, but the time that you are out of your house, you are in the public areas, in the markets, in the bus, inside keke, try and wear your masks, because you don't know who you are interacting with, you don't know what they have. And when it's a public place, if I sneeze, you can't tell me not to sneeze. But when you have your mask, you know you are protected.
She highlighted the foundation's various intervention programs which have helped communities, women, children, youths, puppies, widows, and various categories of vulnerable persons. Guest speaker Ohunene Etudaye, Kogi State influencer for MAGGI Nigeria, enjoined participants to imbibe a hygienic lifestyle for healthy living, urging them to always maintain a high degree of hygiene in their homes and restaurants.
We are not only telling you to cook delicious food, but it has to be healthy. As a brand, we're very particular about how healthy and nutritious your meals are. So that's why she incorporated us to come here and also help them educate these women that came to attend this event. I'm sure you were in there, you listened to what I said. It's not about your food being delicious, but how healthy what you cook is, how healthy your environment is, and also make all of us understand that COVID-19 or not, all these advocacies of washing your hands, social distance, and all of that are all normal, everyday lifestyle that we should all imbibe.
The Kogi State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Saka Haruna Audu, who was represented by Dr. Austin Ojotule, the state epidemiologist, said women remain very important in the fight against the spread COVID-19 and advised participants to maintain regular hand washing, physical distancing, and use of face masks.
You realize that you are sick, you are having fever, you are coughing, take permission from your boss and don't go to office. Because we don't know. It's possible we screen, we test you are negative, but until you are tested, just take more precaution to ensure that people around us are safe.
COVID-19 or no COVID-19, let's continue to live a healthy life. Let's continue to make sure we wash our hands, we observe all the hygienic rules, and of course, we will always live very hygienic. Play your part, and God will always play his own part too.
Other dignitaries at the event include the Commissioner for Women Affairs and the Chairman of People Living with Disability.
The peculiar thing about this program is the nature of its inclusivity. It includes persons with disabilities, and that is to show that the issue of discrimination and stigmatization against persons with disabilities is gradually coming to an end in Kogi State. And my takes on this very program are looking at the effect of this pandemic on ground now. I think it has shown us persons with disabilities to also adhere strictly to this instruction of NCDCs of regular hand washing, keeping our environment and ourselves neat.
Avoid Unwogu, AIT News, Lokoja.